let's demonstrate how this all works. I have here an iPhone and I have an iPad. Now the iPad has a bigger screen, so we have controls of both locomotives in here. This is an old one I also converted with a DCC module, but it doesn't have any sound. But this is just to show you how, can control two locomotives independently of each other. So let's turn on the track voltage. So see, this one is gonna just show you the idle sound. I have two tabs here with function keys button. On this one I can turn the sound off, turn it back on, and also I can adjust the volume. I can also turn on the cabin light and the light, the front and the rear light. So this is the cabin light, turn on and off. That's the front light, turn on and off because the locomotive is now driving forward. Let's get some speed here. You also see whatever I do on the iPhone is reflected on the screen of the iPad. So if I go speed high up, this one goes up too. So I can control it either on the iPad or on the iPhone, it doesn't make any difference. I can also have more wireless devices here. This is also a demonstration of the C21 system. It's very nice. If I want to now control this locomotive here on the right, now let's play some sounds. Another sound. More sounds. We have also a bell in here. Let's reverse direction. You also can turn on the smoke. The smoke generator has to heat up first now before you see any smoke coming out. Now the light changed from the rear to the front because I changed directions. Look at how low speed you can drive. At the very low speed, look at that. And you have all the torque, you can pull, a long train and you will drive that slow. You can also, if you want, you can dim the lights via programming if you have a need for that. Right now they are full lit up. Okay, thanks for watching. It was a very exciting project.